In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails by date in Outlook. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to find messages from a specific day, a date range, or a broader time frame like last month, using either simple search commands or Outlook's visual filters. First, open Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so your inbox loads completely. At the top of the window, click inside the search box. This activates Outlook's search tools and lets you use powerful keywords, often called operators, to narrow results instantly. To find messages received on a specific date, type received, MMDDYYYY, in the search box and press enter. For example, typing received 25/2026 returns emails that landed on that exact day. Make sure the date format matches your Outlook regional settings. If your region uses day, month, year, enter it that way. To search a date range, use two dots between the start and end dates with no spaces. For instance, received 01/01/2026, 01/31/2026 shows everything received during January. Those two dots tell Outlook to include all emails between the dates, start to finish. You can also use natural time words when you don't know the exact dates. Try received, yesterday, received, this week, received, last month, or received, January. These are great for quick, broad searches and are surprisingly accurate for everyday use. If you're looking for messages you sent rather than received, simply replace received with sent. For example, sent. Last month will show emails you sent during the previous month. This is especially handy when you need to confirm what you sent and when. If you prefer a visual approach, stay in the same search box and click the filters icon, the three horizontal lines on the right side of the search bar. This opens a panel where you can set your criteria without typing operators. Choose which folders to search. Specify who the message is from, who it was sent to, and who was CC'd. You can narrow by subject, add keywords, set a date or date range, choose read or unread status, and include or exclude attachments. This is perfect when you need a precise combination of conditions. For even more control, click the Add Filter option, customize the exact fields you want, and then click Save so you can reuse that setup later. It's a time saver if you run the same searches frequently. That's it. Use received and sent for fast date-based searches and switch to the filters panel when you want a visual, reusable setup. Happy searching!